Hi there, I'm Elin from the Charles and Elin Academy, and I'm so excited to see you here. This is just a quick glimpse into my next Embroider Your Stress Away project. If you want to have the full tutorial on how I stitch together and create my Just Because book, my embroidered gratitude book, my embroidered throw the stress away book, please go to the link below. I'm going to upload all the process in the Charles and Elin Academy. What you see in front of here, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a glimpse. I'm right now in the middle of, or not really in the middle, I'm still in the beginning, but I am currently stitching together my pages. So what you see is that I've already pre-cut all of my pages in raw linen, and I am currently stitching the pages together, making some a bit loose stitches because I don't want it to be too tight together to still have some space to add stuff onto the pages. Now my goal, my idea is to focus primarily on text. But I am able to stitch in some extra pages here. I'm then going to sew it into my hard cover here. I've already taken out all of the pages of this book. I bought it just for about 20 cents at the flea market. I'm going to be stitching it in, and the fabric you see here is the corduroy that I'm imagining to be using for my cover, which I think is going to be pretty cool. Now you might wonder, why am I stitching together the whole book in advance when I haven't done anything on the pages yet? And that is a good question. I am doing this because this is going to be with me on our next trip to Paris. We are leaving any day now, and I don't want to do the mistake of thinking I'm just going to have that I'm going to be able to do a lot of pages. I don't know. Actually, I have no idea how much time I'm going to be able to have. I've got two little kids at home. Maybe you've got two, and it's just difficult, and you need to think about how many fabrics you're going to need and the projects, all of those things. And also, I don't want to risk putting it all apart. So this time around, I'm setting myself up for hopefully success in advance by creating and stitching together the whole book in advance so that I'm able to just pop this little baby into my backpack wherever we go, and hopefully I'm able to add a couple of stitches here and there. I am going to post and share the full process on my pages. This is a very personal project, so do not feel that you have to do exactly the same as I do. Not at all. The purpose of this is really to just show you an inspiration of what you can do and how you can do it. Whether you choose to do it the same way or not, that's up to you. But this is one way that you can do it. This is something that is so important to me, that creativity, creation, embroidery, it needs to be on your term. Art comes from the heart, right? And if you want it to have any healing effect or impact on you, then it needs to really continue to stem from the heart. Inside of the Charles and Elin Academy, the link below, I'm going to share not video tutorials on all pages as a result of it being personal, but I will be sharing some updates on how it's going, as well as photographs and pictures, text, descriptions, different things to think about, and insights into how it's actually going. So, I'm excited to see you inside, and good luck with your books as well. Have you ever done a book in this way? I don't know, to be honest, I'm not sure who coined the phrase of a Just Because book. I've heard it in many different places through the years, and whoever did it is a genius. I absolutely love the idea that you do this just because you want to, just because you love it, just because it's fun. And I just felt that, okay, what is a good follow-up project in the Embroider Your Stress Away series after doing the first canvas that we did together? You can see it previously here in the channel. And I thought a Just Because book. This is going to kind of be a little bit like a travel journal, as well as we are going to be traveling quite a bit for the next few weeks. So hopefully having this all mended together already is gonna allow me to actually get some of that stitching done. All right. Thank you so much. And if you want to learn more, again, I've put the links below. We've also got some free courses, free patterns. If you're just new to embroidery, you just want to try it out. If you want to explore more, we've got loads of different courses inside of the Academy. If you're becoming a member, you can access all of them for just a small charge per month. And you can come and go as you want. You don't have to, it's not like you're signing yourself up for a certain amount of time. Come a month, go the next, come again. It's all about your preference. Creativity and art is from your heart, right? And I'm just here to give you some inspiration and help you on the way. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.